Hello, this is Jane for Boatshed Essex on board our Fairline Sunfury 26 with an interior video. Down the companionway steps into the saloon area, and we have a nice galley to port, sink, hot and cold water. I have a fridge, microwave, and a hob and grill. Storage area there at the back. Nice spacious saloon area which converts to a double berth. We also have a separate heads with shower. Good standing headroom throughout the boat. And into the double aft cabin. Plenty of stowage and a nice large double berth. If you'd like any further information, or you'd like to see the photographs and other videos, if you visit our webpage at boatshedessex.com, and we would be pleased to show you the boat. Just give us a call or an email. Thank you very much.